Hello friends! Magluto na naman tayo ng masarap na pagkain. And here, we have chicken breast. So, kinat ko na maninipis. And I put them together. Yung oil dyan, friends, is olive oil. Then, ayan. Tapos, babaliktad ko lang din to. Kahit konting, kahit pagka nakita nyong medyo luto na, okay na yan. Ikot nyo na agad yan. Then, after that, I'm going to put minced garlic. Tapos, butter. Ayan ko muna silang maluto. Then, I'll put a cream. Evap. Yan. Tapos, nilagyan ko yan ng thyme, dry basil, and yung cherry tomato. Also, I put a capers, berries in vinegar. Ayan. So, ang lasa niya ay maasim-asim konti, na may creamy, na salty, na cheese, and everything. And then, in 5 minutes, ayan na, ganyan ang itsura niya. Hanggang sa lumambot at mag-melt na yung kanyang cheese. Ayan. I don't have to add anything like mga nor cubes or sugar. Wala na. That's it. Yan lang yung ilalagay mo and it's all good. For others who wants to add a black pepper, pwede din. So, this is how it looks after cooking it. Yan. Very creamy yan and nandun yung parang asim niya. You can also add, kung wala kayong tomatoes na ganyan, pwede kayong mag-add ng lemon. You can use lemon instead. Yan. Maasim-asim yan, cherry tomatoes na yan eh. Yan. Ready to eat na po tayo. Thanks for watching.